Welcome everyone to the first session. The first session is materials for energy and sustainability. Energy is incredibly important for humanity, but we also need to source it sustainably. And what is better than our sun? Our sun provides huge amounts of energy, and the way how we can harvest that is with solar cells. So today, the first part of the first session will be about sustainability and energy and using, as I said, our sun. However, there is one recent development. The first of our speakers was not able to come, so we will put a little bit of a DNA in all of this with Dr. Chad Mirkin coming and taking the spot of the first speaker. So the first speaker, as I said, will be Dr. Chad Mirkin. The second one will be Dr. Michael Gretzel, and we will finish the session with Dr. David Ginger. Very briefly about each of our esteemed speakers, Dr. Chad Mirkin is the director of the International Institute for Nanotechnology and professor of chemistry, chemical engineering, and bioengineering at Northwestern University. He got his Bachelor of Science from Dickinson College. Then he went on to do a Ph.D. at Penn State, postdoctoral stay at MIT, and he is now professor at Northwestern. He's a well-renowned scientist in the field of nanotechnology, especially the development of spherical nucleic acids, nanolithography, and a lot of other nanotechniques, imaging, patterning, and so on. Today he will talk about the repurposing of a blueprint of life through colloidal crystal engineering with DNA. Our next speaker, going back to the photovoltaics and the sun, is Dr. Michael Gretzel from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology at Lausanne. Dr. Gretzel got his Bachelor of Science in Berlin from the Freie University of Berlin. Then he did a Ph.D. at the Technical University of Berlin. After a postdoctoral stay at Notre Dame, he joined the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology at Lausanne, where he established himself as the leading expert of breakthroughs of molecular photovoltaics. He did extremely well in using the mesoscale part of the structure in order to harvest energy from the sun. He played a pivotal and a pioneering role in development of photovoltaic and perovskite solar cells. His talk today will be about molecular photovoltaics and the rise of the perovskite solar cells, the dye-sensitive solar cells. And finally, we will conclude the first session with Dr. David Ginger from University of Washington. He got his Bachelor of Science degrees from Indiana University in physics and chemistry. After that, he got his Ph.D. from University of Cambridge to come back to the United States as a DuPont postdoctoral fellowship at Northwestern University with Dr. Chad Mirkin. And after that, he continued with his independent career at University of Washington, when he's working in chemistry of materials with the accent on using a bunch of different techniques to really visualize, understand the structure and make a structure properties relationship, so we are able to harvest energy with different type of materials, including perovskites and organic photovoltaics. He will talk about picturing perovskites and photovoltaics. So without further ado, I would open the session. First talk will be Dr. Chad Mirkin. We'll have a discussion. We'll move with Dr. Michael Gretzel, discussion. After that, we're taking a break to come back for the last talk from Dr. David Ginger, and after that, the poster session. Please help me welcome the speakers of the first session.